This is my little portable engine built around a Mammoth boiler. Mostly the bits either bought from eBay, like the wheels, or made by myself. The firebox, smoke box, the folding chimney, get back up, and other bits and bobs. Just about ready to go. The intention was to try and run the little sawmill at the back there, but there's not quite enough power in it, so I've decided instead we're going to run that little grinder and the boys can get their tools sharpened. So I think we've got steam. Oh, we have, yes. There we are. I think we can just let that idle. Bit more steam there. Right. So there we go. So let's have a look around. Gaffer's in charge as always. We've got some spare coal there in case we run out. Curly and Stumpy looking a bit bemused at what to do with the oil stone. And the dog just wondering what on earth's going on. So that's quite a nice little diorama there. Shall we give it some welly? Why not? I think that belt's going to come flying off in a moment. So there we are. I hope you've enjoyed that.